Welcome back to Spectrum News 1, everybody. Meteorologist Robert Suhr. Another check of that forecast on this Groundhog Day, and the groundhogs have spoken. Here's what some of the more well-known groundhogs are saying. Punxsutawney Phil in Pennsylvania, the only one to see his shadow and scurry back into his burrow. That means 6 more weeks of winter. Both Buckeye Chuck in Ohio and Woodstock Willie in Illinois did not see their shadows, meaning they are calling for an early spring. And early on, they might be right, because you look at what the Climate Prediction Center is saying for the tri-state for the month of February. They're calling for above average temperatures, meaning it could feel like spring out there as well. Now, that does not mean that we won't get shots of cold Arctic air, because that definitely most likely will happen. And they're also looking at strong confidence in above average precipitation. And if we get the precipitation with the cold air, we're going to get more snowfall. Remember, it's still February. We're not done with winter yet. No matter what the groundhogs say, we're still, by the book, 6 weeks away from spring anyways. So I don't think we're done with the cold and snow, especially after Valentine's Day. Things could turn colder and snowier, but definitely feeling like spring today and tomorrow. Temperatures in the 60s with lots of sunshine this afternoon, but we will see some pretty brisk southerly winds gusting 20 to 30 miles an hour at times. So that could get your attention if you're out there trying to clean up the yard or anything like that. Remaining quiet tonight. The wind should subside tonight before ramping right back up as we get into our Monday. Notice by the lunch hour on Monday, widespread mid-60s for temperatures feeling very mild and feeling early spring-like outside. So we're going to call it 66 today in Bowling Green. A little cooler as you work your way along the Ohio River and points north, probably closer towards 60. Tonight will stay mild with that southerly flow, as temperatures will only fall into the mid to upper 40s, maybe still 50s back toward the west. In a fairly active extended period, quite breezy, if not windy. Tomorrow we'll flirt with 70 on Monday, but those winds will gust up to 30 miles an hour. A front may stall on top of us Tuesday that could lead to cooler temperatures, lots of clouds, maybe a little bit of drizzle as well before a more potent system gets in here Wednesday and Thursday, with actually chances for a few thunderstorms. Once that front moves on, temperatures will fall Thursday, highs only in the upper 40s on Friday.